Hello, I'll be conducting your technical interview for the front end position today. Let's get started with some questions. What's your background in front end?
I am a UI UX developer.
Great. It's always a bonus to have a strong design background. Let's dive into some technical aspects. Can you explain the difference between CSS Grid and Flexbox and provide examples of when you might use each?
Okay, here the difference between CSS grid and Flexbox. One-dimensional layout, rows or columns, best for aligning and distributing space along a single axis. Grid, two-dimensional layout, rows and columns, best for complex layouts with explicit structure. Uh, that's all.
That, that's a good start. You're right that Flexbox is a one-dimensional layout system meant for laying out items along a single axis either horizontally or vertically, while CSS Grid is a two-dimensional system that lets you manage layouts across both rows and columns. For a follow-up question, can you provide specific examples of when you'd choose Flexbox over Grid and vice versa? What kinds of use cases or components would guide your decision?
Use for Flexbox used for one-dimensional layout, content alignment within a container. Similarly, like examples, navbars, image galleries, aligning items in a form. Similarly, grid used for two-dimensional layouts, complex page structures, etc.
Good examples. To build on that, let's move to JavaScript. Can you explain the concept of closures in JavaScript? How and when would you use them?
Okay, let's tackle closure in JavaScript. Closure is a functional ability to remember and access its lexical scope. Uh,
That's correct. Closures indeed refer to a function's ability to remember its lexical scope even when the function is executed outside that scope. Can you provide an example where a closure might be particularly useful, like in a real world scenario or within a piece of front end code?